everyone, and welcome back. So in today's episode, we're gonna make a blue cheese green salad. It's a pretty interesting combination. So let me show you the ingredients. So the first thing you're gonna need is a spring mix, or you can use some kind of lettuce and you can just tear it into bite-sized pieces. But I like to use spring mix. It's healthy for you, different varieties of lettuce, plus it looks pretty because they're all different looking and different color as well. So just some spring mix. You're also going to need some cherry tomatoes. And of course, if you can, buy orange and red just to make it more colorful and pretty. I just have two types. I believe these are Kumaro cherry tomatoes and just some regular sweet cherry red tomatoes. So you're going to need some tomatoes. You're also going to need some green grapes, and try and use green. They're a little bit less sweet, I find, than the red ones. And of course, go for the seedless ones. And you're also going to need some blue cheese. You can buy any kind of blue cheese. I actually like this by Castello. This is Danish blue cheese, and this is already like crumbled. You can also buy like a slice of that cheese and you can just break it up. So that's all the ingredients you're going to need just for this time around. Of course, like always, salt and pepper to your taste. And let's begin cutting the tomatoes. You're just gonna have these. And I like to have mine along the long side. So just tomatoes, as many as you like to put on your salad. So I'm using about like one small container of cherry tomatoes you buy at the store, but I'm actually probably going to need a little bit less. If the cherry tomatoes are big, like these are bigger kind, you can always quarter them if you prefer. But I'm just going to cut mine in half like this. So that's all you're going to need to cut for this salad. So now let's start putting the salad together. And I'm just gonna put it here. And what I like to do is place my cherry tomatoes the seed side up. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can always save time, but I just like things more presentable. So let's just place the tomatoes all around. Okay, so that's how you want the salad to look. So next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take some of this blue cheese. And like I said, mine is already crumbled, but there's some bigger pieces. I'm gonna break it a little bit like this. You're going to take like a little teaspoon and you're going to try and just like sprinkle it all over your salad. Of course, blue cheese has a lot of taste and it can taste pretty strong if you put a lot. So kind of don't put too much. If you really like blue cheese, of course, go ahead and put more. I used to not like blue cheese, but actually as I grew up, I really like blue cheese now. So I'm just going to place it all around just like that. Now, as for the dressing for this salad, I told you it's going to be a very interesting, flavorful salad. So what you're going to do is use grapes as your dressing, nothing else. So you're going to actually, all I do is I break this with my hand. So as you see, you just kind of crush them in your hands and you make some of the juice just come out all over. And these little bits that are left over from the grapes, throw them in the salad as well. You can probably do this in like a little chopper, sort of like blender, but make sure that there are pieces of grapes left so it doesn't become like a smoothie. But I just do it with my hands. It's not really hard to crush the grapes. So I just use my hands, and while I break it, I kind of go my hands all around so that the juice from the grapes gets all over your salad. And I'm gonna use about 10 grapes or so to kind of make the dressing for the salad. You can use more or less depending how much dressing you like. The salad is now ready. It's pretty quick to make, as you saw. Not too many ingredients that you need to purchase, but also has very interesting flavors, well, as long as you like blue cheese. Of course, if you really don't like blue cheese, you can try and make something like this with feta cheese. I haven't tried, but I'm sure it'll taste just as great, but of course different. So let's see up close. So this is a blue cheese green salad. So we have spring mix, tomatoes, crumbles of blue cheese, and the dressing is made from green grapes, seedless. So I hope you try and make this salad next time for yourself. I hope you enjoy. Please leave a comment if you have any interesting salads that you make, which are like interesting in flavors, like for example, fruits and vegetables together. And if you don't mind, please subscribe and like this video so you show me your support, and I'll make more videos for you. And thank you so much for watching like always, and I'll see you in my next recipe. Thank you. Bye.